2 weeks ago, this church was in the process of getting a brand new roof put on, not by choice. That work has since been complete, but the church is now about $80,000 in the hole.
That we're hurt, we're in trouble.
Pastor Sidney at Greater Center Church in God in Christ in Mount Hope says he had no choice but to pay for a new roof after GuideOne, the company he had been with for years, abruptly canceled his policy based solely on satellite images, which they say showed broken shingles.
I was canceled without notice. What qualifies an insurance adjuster in an office anywhere to look at a satellite picture and determine that the whole roof needs to be repaired?
We first met Pastor Buggs a couple of weeks ago. He shared the report with us with the image the company said he used. According to this, there's no structural damage, no missing shingles, no rust, patching, or ponding. In fact, it says it had 81% confidence in the shingles. We reached out to GuideOne. They told us they do not comment on private matters and would not respond to follow-up questions. The whole situation has been detrimental for Pastor Buggs and his congregation of 100 members. Because GuideOne dropped their policy, they were forced to replace the roof so another company would pick them up. They had to take out a loan to cover the $51,000 roof they don't need, plus find a new policy elsewhere, which cost them over $20,000, $15,000 more than what they have been paying.
So it took a loan of $80,000 to get the whole project complete and get the insurance done, because otherwise we came within a week of having to close our doors.
To add insult to injury, Pastor Buggs just received this notice of violation from the city of San Diego, telling him to cover graffiti outside his church, another expense he can't afford.
Last year, I spent close to $11,000 just taking graffiti off of that wall.
I reached out to the city. A spokesperson told me while the city makes every effort to not cite victims of graffiti vandalism, they did so after 3 get-it-done reports, noting if a wall is taken care of, Pastor Buggs won't pay a fine. Pastor Buggs wants someone to step forward and paint a mural on the wall. Meantime, he hopes to recoup some of the money already spent by planning a fundraiser for later this summer. I'll share details when they're set. He's also accepting donations via Givelify, saying while the church has an abundance of faith, they can't say the same for resources.
We have the broken. We don't have any grants or anything like that that feeds money into us.
Working for you, I'm Shanna Handy for CBS 8.